How are you guys? Today I'll show you 10 bodyweight leg workout for footballers in which you can do at home or open pitches, and this workout you do not need any equipment. So let's go guys. So we start the workout with wall sit. I'm gonna show you how to do. You have to stay here for a minute, or you can do more than 1 minute, and try to close your knee. जैसे कि आप मुझे देख रहे हैं, मैं तो अभी फुटबॉल फील्ड में हूँ, इसलिए मैं पोस्ट में कर रहा हूँ, पर आप ये घर में वॉल में कर सकते हो। 90 डिग्री अपना, जैसे कि आप मुझे देख रहे हैं मेरा लेग को, जिसमें 90 डिग्री पोजीशन होगा, और आपको इसको प्रेशर को होल्ड करना है आपका लेग में, और जिसमें आपका लेग स्ट्रॉन्गर होगा। और ये आप कर सकते हो 3 to 4 सेट, रेस्ट 20 to 30 सेकंड्स एंड रिपीट 3 सेट। नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज गोना डू सिंपली बॉडीवेट लेग वर्कआउट, लेग ऑल अबाउट, शोल्डर्स अपार्ट, जिसमें आपको स्क्वाट डाउन करना है सिंपली, और कोर टाइट होना है। जब आप डाउन होंगे तो आपको स्लो से अप होना है, जिससे आपका प्रेशर पड़ेगा थाई में। आपको सिंपली स्क्वाट करना है बॉडी वेट के सपोर्ट में, जिससे आपका इम्प्रूव होगा आपका पोस्चर, आपका फ्लैक्सिबिलिटी, आपका लोअर बैक भी स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा। जिसमें आपको 4 सेट करना है, रेस्ट बिटवीन 20 to 30 सेकेंड एंड रिपीट 3 सेट। थर्ड एक्सरसाइज इज फॉरवर्ड लंजेस। दिस वर्कआउट एंगेज योर कोर एंड एब्डोमिनल मसल्स. It helps you to building stability, which when you move your hips up and down. As you can see me, my left leg is forward and my right arm come up. आपका improve होगा balance and posture as well. I like to do 10 each leg, rest about for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat 3 sets. Fourth exercise is side lunges, similar to the front lunges, as you can see, which moving literally this time, because game of football you're not always moving forward and backward. Sometimes you move side to side as well. You need to be strong your leg. They work your inner and outer thigh. Literally lunges develop your balance, stability and strength. So side lunges train your body to move side to side, which is a nice change from your body's normal forward or twisting movements. So I like to do 10 one direction and 10 in the opposite direction and repeat 3 times. Fifth exercise is reverse lunges. This time our legs goes to behind us and both knees go back down into the 90 degree angle. This exercise activates your core, glutes and hamstring. They put less stress on your joints and give you a bit more stability in your front leg. This is ideal for people who have knee concerns and difficulty balancing or less hip mobility. Just to get good habits, because you get in good habits, stick those arm and leg movement. You're gonna be more efficient in running technique as well. I recommended you to do 3 to 4 sets, resting about 20 to 30 seconds between each set. Next exercise we gonna do squat forward lunges to knee drive, similar to the forward lunges. First squatting and then going to the forward lunges and then driving up your opposite knee. So coordination is a key, as you can see. And this exercise active and natural spine weight on hips, control knee position. So I like to do 5 each leg, rest for about 20 to 30 seconds, and between each leg you have to do 4 sets, 3 to 4 sets. we're gonna do simple split stance lunge. So keep your toe straight and core engaged as you bend your knees, lowering your body towards the floor. Your legs couple feet apart and core tight. Lunging down with one leg, keep the balance on that front leg, include on the hamstring. As you can see me in my video. So I like to do 10 each leg and rest between 20 to 30 seconds and repeat 3 sets. So now we're gonna do sumo squat, similar to the bodyweight leg squat. Your legs are wide, really gonna hit the glute, legs about 2 times shoulder width apart. Split a feet out. This sumo squat is a great lower body strength exercise that emphasizes the muscles of the inner thigh as well as the glutes, quads, hamstring and hips flexor and claves. Exercise 9 is single leg Romanian deadlift. In this exercise, you need to a lot of balance. Don't worry if you struggle at first. Get better the more you do it. But first you must ability each leg individually as possible. As you can see me driving my knee up and my knee goes 90 degree out of front. And I bend forward and extend the leg back and extend the arm front foot balance. And walking with each leg, we get a lot of walking with hamstring. So I like to do 10 each side and repeat 3 sets. Last and final exercise, glute bridge plus kick. So you gonna lay in your back, then extend your hip up. Make sure this knee goes into 90 degree and hit the glute and hamstring. And make sure you are driving that leg out and squeezing that quad and that glute. Today's leg workout has been done. You can do this workout pretty much anywhere. Remember one thing, it is best to start with lower reps and lower sets until you get to used to this exercise, especially if you are beginner. Okay guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit the like button, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. I see you guys in my next video. Till then, stylish, fit and healthy. Bye.